Accessing your data and dashboard is simple. First, let's talk about data access. Your data is automatically presented in the Parvamoti data dashboard, providing a seamless overview of all your measurements. For those who want to integrate the data into their own management system, you can use the RESTful API for seamless integration with your system. For more info, check the knowledge base. Now, let's take a look at the dashboards. First, you see the settlement rod dashboard. Use the filters on the left to select your project and refine the data. Devices are shown on the map, each object's data appears in the graphs, and all measurements are listed in the table below. You can view data here or download it in Excel format. Next is the object monitoring dashboard. The same filters on the left help you navigate easily. You can switch between single point view and average data for better analysis. Below, the compare mode lets you view multiple devices on a single graph. And finally, the landslide dashboard, designed to help you monitor landslide movement. The map view shows the movement magnitude for each point, which you can analyze in detail on the graphs. The compare mode lets you measure distance over a selected time period and track how one point moves relative to another.